The Tampa Bay Lightning have won back-to-back games. They've scored 10 goals along the way. The Washington Capitals have not lost in regulation all season long, the entire month of October. First time they've done that in the month of October in their franchise history. And away we go. Inadvertently bumped into Nikita Kucherov in their last meeting, and the reason Kucherov is out of the lineup until maybe early into the new year. Oh, they score! A long shot from a good ways out, deflected on the way in, and the Capitals have scored first.
Yeah, Leason's going to get credit for this goal, but it went off of Victor Hedman's stick. But starting so far behind everybody, you got 5 games in the American League, and that'll give him a taste anyway.
Hard slap shot from Carlson, gets it back, wristers high, goes wide, wraparound attempt. Vasilevsky to be careful in the second attempt there by Connor McMichael. Caps on the puck back in, foot in the corner, works up the boards, it's held there. Near side of Ovechkin, quick shot, and Vasilevsky makes the save. Doesn't seem to matter where he gets that puck. He can still get a good shot away. It went 3 for 3 against those same Coyotes in their last game. Now it's poked free and trying to take off there is Wilson up there, shoots right on. Vasilevsky makes the save on Tom Wilson. Hedman back to retrieve it. Anthony Mantha in after him. Mantha bumps Hedman off the puck, feeds the middle, and a good poke check there by Vasilevsky on Wilson. Faravari, 22-year-old rookie from Bratislava. Now here's a chance for the Caps. Shot right on, rebound. Almost swatted away by Vasilevsky. Goes into the corner. Maroon up the boards. Kuznetsov, Ovechkin, there's the shot, saved by Vasilevsky. Rebound, he got that too. Wilson got a good backhander away. Up top to Carlson. Evgeny Kuznetsov, wrister, knocked down, rebound into the corner, dug out. Back to the line for Carlson, across to Ovechkin. There's the shot blocked by Cernak.
That hurts me just watching that.
Kuznetsov saucers it back. Ovechkin again, and another shot blocked by Cernak, and out it goes.
He is so good at that. He and McDonough, time after time, you'd think you'd start flinching after that.
And a quick stick, knocks it free. Belmar steps up. He's got Joseph with him. Belmar in, shoots, rebound, and Vanacek comes down with a pad. Joseph was right there. Basically told PK and Dave Andreychuk that takes serious courage to do what he did there twice. Puck is dumped in. Here's a chance. Oh, what a save by Vasilevsky. Unbelievable right off the bat.
That puck came off the end wall. He's expecting a shot, but look at that. Just that left hand. He knows he's in trouble as soon as the pass comes across, but look at those legs.
Pete Laviolette looking on as he is going to make this swing through Florida. They play against the Florida Panthers next on the road.
I think they have a day off tomorrow, then a practice day.
Here's Cirelli in there, they score! Alex Killorn has scored again! When you're hot, and the killer is smoking, and it's 1-1.
Just real sharp and hard work off of face-off. Sometimes you need a lucky bounce for sure. And it's Cirelli who does the heck of a job to get it to Alex Killorn.
Lightning history in goals, adding to that total. As they announce the goal in the building, they go looking for more. Here's Maroon with a jam play, and Vanacek makes a stop on a strong power move by Maroon. Another shot, Perry with a backhander, and it goes just wide.
Maroon's actually smiling coming away from the net. He can't believe that didn't go in. You gotta love the way Maroon enjoys hockey.
The two big bookends coming close. 35 seconds to go on the two-man advantage. Big chance here to get their first lead of the night. Stamkos up high in the zone. Steps in, onto the backhand, kicks it back to Hedman, quick across. Here's Cirelli, scores! Anthony Cirelli, power play goal, and it's 2-1 Tampa Bay.
You really got to love the composure of Alex Barré-Boulet, though. He's had a couple of one-timers on this 5-on-3. Probably feeling a little bit of pressure being out there. But how about that for the pass? And yes, he did get some luck.
Cirelli gathers up the puck. He's got the go-ahead goal. There's an outlet pass to Cernak. Cernak with a shot. Big rebound. Hops over the stick of Cirelli, and back come the Caps. Ovechkin in, holds, shoots right on, and Vasilevsky stares down the most dangerous shooter in the league right now and makes the save. Two big former Prince Albert Raiders. They were teammates in Prince Albert. There's Protas trying to find the puck. Knocked up ahead by Carlson. Carlson's wide open. Shoots, save by Vasilevsky. Kicks out the pad and takes it away from John Carlson. A few weeks ago, won in overtime by Steven Stamkos. Braden Point in over the blue line. Points back to the line. Hedman swings and misses, and back comes Washington, led by Ovechkin in. Toe drag, shoots, and that one is up and over the net. Palat was trying to center it. Now he's got Stamkos. Back to foot. Pass was in his skates. And back the other way. Sergachev backing up. Here's Eller with a try. That's blocked. Puck is loose. Eller trying to dish off. Vasilevsky down. Keeps that out. Carl Hagelin was on the doorstep, and Vasilevsky sprawls out again. Caps pushing hard here. Under 5 minutes to go. Belmar trying to make something happen here. Centers it across. Now the pass was in behind Taylor Radish. McMichael up ahead. Here's McMichael. He's in, and he's stopped by Vasilevsky.
McMichael led the American League in scoring and points last year. It was a truncated season, of course, of 33 games. He had those 14 goals.
Now here's a chance for points. Braden Point in. He scores! Braden Point makes it 3-1 Tampa Bay.
Transition game, and then speed to burn. Braden Point catches Washington all in the middle of the ice. He's got an inside step, and nobody is going to catch him because in 2 steps he's away. Look at that. Look at that stride and control.
Took off shoes, socks, everything. Here comes a 2-on-1. It's Killorn. Killorn in, shoots right on, and Vanacek has got that. No rebound, and now Wilson's into it with Anthony Cirelli in behind the Capitals net. Battling for the puck off the draw. It comes back to the point. Here's Ovechkin. Settles it down, then dishes off to Carlson, and they set things up. Kuznetsov saucers it back to Carlson, to Kuznetsov. Across. They score! Connor Sherry tips it home in front. And it's a 1-goal game. Power play goal for the Capitals. 3-2.
Smart play by Kuznetsov and by Sherry.
In the corner, it's Killorn. He's going to try to take more time off the clock with exactly 1 minute to go in regulation. Killorn, who's got another goal tonight. Palat feeds it back to the line. There's the shot, looking for the tip by Killorn, and Vanacek had to come down and make another stop. Now Vanacek hits the bench. Extra attacker will come on. Kuznetsov throws it out across for Eller, and he was in too deep. Bats it wide. Connor Sherry bouncing puck, gets it to Kuznetsov. Carlson, slap shot right on, and Vasilevsky makes the save.
That went between the legs of Wilson. How did he see that?
Ovechkin wrister, it's blocked. Carlson on the backhand. Here's Eller. He's bumped off the puck by Cernak. Kuznetsov takes one more shot, and Vasilevsky's got that. And that is it. Puck pulled back, and the Lightning win it. And now Cernak is...
Cernak and Wilson.
Tom Wilson is engaged.
And this was about whatever the little skirmish was between Cernak and Ovechkin, right?
Yep.
Little message sending by Wilson after the final buzzer.